So, study we study about use effect and use state hook. So, you guys have practiced. Okay, you guys don't answer. Okay, no worries. Okay, so today we'll be studying about routing. So, in normal HTML, what we used to do, let's take first of all, let us start our server. Okay, so these things we have done. Now see, there are multiple menu. So what we want, whenever we click on any of the menu, we should go to that to another page. Okay. So normally what we used to do, this is a header. So let's take one more real life about us. Okay. So also let's take one more, contact us. So these are the thing, these are the menu. So in normal HTML, what we used to do, whenever we want to go to another page, we used to do anchor tag. So it will be like this. It will be like this. Instead of here, anchor tag, SRS will be slash contact us, and inside the middle we will be writing contact us like this. So whenever we used to click, it is going to that page. It is same. See, it is same thing here. We can write a anchor tag and write uh, about us, and here we be writing about us. So same way we'll be going to that page. But why the same thing is reloading? Same thing is coming. We are not going to another page. The same thing is reloading. See, but what we studied at the beginning, React is a single page application, so we will never reload the application. But anything we are creating, anything we are clicking, it is going to the same page. Only this is changing and it is reloading. If you see, it is reloading here. We don't want that. So we can't use anchor tag. Anchor tag will reload the page. Anchor tag has its own properties. The way of working of anchor tag is different. So it will reload the page, but we don't want that. So we will not be using anchor tag here. We will not be using anchor tag. First of all, in React, we have another way to set up the pages. So we like it is not like that we will directly go, we will directly put any new page name and it will go. It is not like that in React. So what we have to do, in app.js, close all, only open app.js. So I want this header to be constant. This header should not be changing. I want this header always to be here. I just want this thing to be changed. Like when I click about us, so there this should be about us page. When I click on contact us page, so it should only come contact us. So how will we make? So here we will be using one external library, that is React Router DOM. So that library will help us to go from one page to another page. So first of all, we'll be installing one more package. So that package name is React Router DOM. So if you go, okay, so see, React Router DOM. This is the package name. So we will be installing. You can see the command for installing. You guys know what is the command to install any new package in any new library? Yeah, right. So npm install react router DOM. So this will install that package. So how to check this package is installed or not? Go to package.json and inside dependencies you will see react router DOM, and this will be the approx version, not the exact version. Will be the approx version. So this means it will always download the latest version. Whenever you do npm install, it will download the latest version. Okay, so react router DOM is installed. So to import this, before using, you guys know we have to import some features from that router, sorry, means that package, right? Whatever we install, we need some packages, some functionalities. So what will be importing? We'll import multiple things. We will import multiple things. So see, what we will be importing? We'll be importing browser router. Browser router. See, you'll get the suggestion from where? React router DOM. Browser router also routes routes routes. Okay, routes also route. Okay, we'll be importing these three things. Okay, we'll be importing these three things from here from React Router DOM. And how we'll be modifying? How we'll be modifying? Let's take. We'll make one more folder. So first of all, we'll make our one more folder pages. So how many pages I want? I want one product page, right? This product page. So instead of here, I'll be putting this here. So move. Okay. So our pages is here. Product is here. I want one about not file about us.jsx. Okay. So this is about us page. Also, we will make one more file. We'll make one more contact us.jsx. So we have three pages. Okay. So we'll be differentiating. We'll be putting those things according to our need. Like I want these as a pages, these as a component. So component means reusable thing that can be reused multiple times. And pages means whatever we want that page. See, I want about us page. I want contact us page. So like that. So inside here, so we have to define. See, I don't want header to be changing every time. If I go to the new page, I want this to be constant. So after that, we'll be using browser browser router browser router. Inside browser router will be uh, what we'll be doing. We'll be using routes. So we'll be defining our routes here. See, we'll be defining our routes here. We have imported three things: browser router, routes, and route. So now route. So how it will work? It will work. We have to write path. Exact path. What name we want to give the page? See, I want to give about us, means slash about us. Okay, and for this I want which element I want, which component. So I have to write element. I want to give this about us component page. So you have to write like about us. So closing tag, self closing tag. and we have not closed this, so just close this. Okay, now everything is done. So if I now see here, about us is coming. Why about us is coming? Because this thing will be dynamic, this thing will be permanent, this thing will be permanent, and this thing will be dynamic. Whatever we will be writing here, that thing will be dynamic. Also, I want to one more page. What page? I want product page. So route exact exact path and slash products, and element will be what? Products. This products, I'll remove it from here. So see, what is the name of path? The slash products. So when I go now here, slash products, see this page is coming. If I go to about us, then this page is only coming. Same way, I want contact us. So I'll be defining one route exact path, and slash contact us, and the element will be what? Contact us element, whatever we build there. uh, okay, contact us we dot is equal to, okay, see, we made contact us element component, and we have, see, now if I write contact us, it will come like this, okay, and okay, but these things are not working. How to integrate that? How to integrate? So this, where are these things? Anyone know? Where are these things? In which component? It is in header component. So we'll be importing one more thing here. Here we'll be importing one more thing, that is link. Link from where? React router DOM only. From React router DOM. So how we'll be using this? So here, how we'll be using? Just instead of products, okay, instead of products, what we'll be doing? We'll be writing link to products like this. Okay, so now uh, what is the base name? What happens if I remove this? Context, I don't know why this error is coming. Please debug that. So products, that path, link. Okay, so let's see how this link is working. Link in this thing changes by the version. See, we are using which version? We are using maybe, so see, React router. we are using 6.22.2 version. So we have to see in the latest React Router DOM how it works. Link. Okay. Link to it is the same thing. So why it is not working? React Router DOM is right. Let's see what is happening. So okay, okay. So I think I got an issue. So this header should be inside browser router to use, I think. Okay. See, now if you click on product, so in here it's a reference two. Okay. So see, now if I click on product, it will go to this product. Why this is happening? Because this link will only work on those components which will be inside this browser router. So here this will be the fix, and the rest of the remaining inside the routes will be changing according to our requirements, according to our request. So the same way, I'll write for the link. Okay. So it is working now, I think. Uh, Now I want this about us also. So how will we do? We'll be using the same link tag. Link to what we want about us. So we'll be giving like about us and the link. Okay, so if I click on this about us, so it is going. See, now the page is not refreshing. If you notice, then page is not refreshing. See, and if you go to DOM, if you see the DOM, here also what is happening here, it won't change much. See, it won't change much. It won't change much. It is just changing this part. It is changing this part. So we have to implement like this. Anything this also we want, if we want to do use the link, so we'll be using. Okay, so see, if I click on this contact us, it will go to contact us. See, now the page are not refreshing. So this is a React router DOM. So it will decide here. It will decide here where to go. If I remove this, and if I want, like I haven't defined the routes, and if I try to go there, it will not come. Anything will not come. Here, what we are doing, we are saying route. The path will be this, and the element in the side, when someone will go to this path, the element that should be shown is this. So like that it is working. Now what I want? Now I want when I click on any of this item, when I click any of this item, it should be redirect me to the one product page. It should redirect to me one product page which will show all the details about this phone. Which will show all the details about this phone. So let's implement that. So for that, I want one more page that is, let's give it a name like single, not folder, file, single product dot JSX. So we are giving one page, and we want, first of all we have to define the page. So we have to define the page. But see how it will differentiate which product I will be going. So it will be like products slash 3. See, everyone, every of the item have one ID. Every item has one ID. So that ID will be here. If this the name of the ID of this item is 1, then it should be like this slash 1. So you have seen that in the Flipkart also, or in any website. If you go to any product, let's take this. So if I click on this, so see, Flipkart here is some URL, some properties for this product only. So this will be different for all the product. For different product, it will be different. So what we have used, which API, if we have used this, and when I will click the two, okay, it is only showing me this. We want the same, we want the same implementation. When product slash 2 something happened, so it will only show us that the data for the ID 2. See, its ID is 2. So how will we implement? First of all, we have to make the page, and we want this will be dynamic, this will be static, this will be dynamic. This will be changing for all the product. So if there will be 6, then the details of product number 6 will be here. So how will we implement that? So first of all, we have to define routes. How to define? A route exact, exact path. So slash product slash products slash is to ID. Is to ID means this is to denote that this thing will be changing. This thing will be changing. So an element will be not product, single product. Okay. So see, if I write anything, if I write anything, see, if I write 6, it will also come. If we write 7, it will come. But single product, not single product, single product page. I have to write the name, change the name. Single product page, single product page, so that it will be different from each other. Single product. Okay, so okay, so single product page, we have to import that. We have to import. We have imported. Now see, if anyone will go, okay, so anyone will go, it will show single product page, single product page. If I go to 20, it will see, it will single product page. So we have this much. Okay, now let's go to single product. Okay, now we'll see uh, Okay, so here we'll see this URL and we want to paste this ID. Which ID user has requested? In which ID the user has gone. So how will we using? We'll be using one more properties of React Router DOM, that is use params. So we have to import use params from React Router DOM. We have to use use params from React Router DOM. Let's see. So uh, see const params is equal to use params. So let's see what are the things that is coming. What are the things that is coming in these params? So if we go to this page and spec, see in the console object, it is giving us object and only ID is coming. See if this is 20, 20 is coming. If I write 122, see ID 122 is coming. So we have to destructure. How will we destructuring? We will be destructuring like this: const ID is equal to params, like this. Now this ID is whatever that is. Okay, so now again we'll be calling one another API. We'll be calling one another API to fetch the data for this ID. So how will we do? We'll go to our service API.js and here we'll be using same thing, same API call, export const get single product, which will be asynchronous and it will take ID. It will take ID and const response is equal to await access dot get. What is the URL? See, I have shown you this is the URL. So it is the same. HTTPS dummy data dot JSON slash product slash ID. Whatever ID we get, we have to write like this, and we have to return the data. Same thing. So we will be using this. Okay. So in here, what I said, if we want to call any API from any page or component, we will be using use effect because we only want that once. So use effect, it will be like this and it will have one dependency parameter. Here we want to give dependency as this ID. If ID changes, then it will call, it will run. If ID changes, then it will run. So where should we store our data? We should store our data in the state because it can be changed. Like every time it can be changed. So use a state is so how will we defining a state? So like this, and product details, set product details, and it will be empty object. It will be empty object, and here we have to call. First of all, we have to import this. We have to import this function single product. So here we will be importing get single product from this, and we'll be calling that. We'll be calling get single product, and I will send the ID. If it is success, if it is success, then data will be stored in this set product details. So I have stored the data. Let's see in which format is it coming. Console.log API data. So in which format it will coming? Let's see. User state is not defined, so we have to import user state. So see what happens. Okay. Request to access 404. So what we did wrong? We go here. Okay, in not found. Product with not found. Okay. 220. This will not give us error. It will not give us error. Pending. Okay. So in which format will come? It will come in this format. See, this much of data. This much of data is coming. So we will be putting that data inside this product details. See, set product details and like this. Okay. It is done. Now, what I want here, I want, here, we will be using conditional rendering, and for that we also want loading thing. Either it is loading or not. So use state loading. At first that will be true. Okay, that will be true. And here in the conditional rendering, we'll see. We'll give the fragment and we'll check here. We'll use the JavaScript and we'll check loading. If loading is true, then we'll be using h1 loading. Else if that is not true, if loading is false, then you will be showing the single, not single, will be showing single page application, first of all, ID. See, I'll show you. Okay, loading. Yeah. Why it is not going? Because we haven't changed the value of loading. It is true every time. So if the data is coming, so what we do, we'll put that set loading false. So see, if I refresh this page, fast. Okay, just see, single page 20. If I put here 10, see, single page 10, it means it is coming, and even the API is being called. Now we want to show that things here. So inside this div, I want to show image, and where that image will be, we have sent all the data here in the product details. So we'll be using this product details. So this SRC will be product details the thumbnail. See, if you see now, uh, okay. So see, it is coming. If I write 4, then see, now the same thing we can add more. See, title, yes one. What will be the name? Product details or title. See, what are the things it is coming? Title, description, anything. So now I also want a description. Yes 5, description. Also yes 2. I want price. See, it is coming. Everything is coming. If I want to do 7, okay, it is coming. But all the details you can show here. There are multiple images, right? There are multiple images inside which, inside, if you see inside images, there are multiple images. You can show multiple images also. How? Using map, because this is an array. So what you can do, you can write JavaScript here and product details dot images dot map, and one name is image. I can put the name image. return, what I will return? img image. So let's take, I will be returning div. Okay, so div img, and what will be the source? It will be, the source will be direct image. So if we go, see, all the things are coming, all the images related to this product 9, all the things, all the images related to this product is coming now. See, now you can style further, you can style, that's in your hand, how attractive you will make. You like, you have to do with the css, so you have to do like use the css. So I assume that you guys know how to use css. But again, here maybe you'll see one warning key. Again, key warning. So we have to give the key. Key. Key what? I don't have any key na. So here, this will be the name, and you can write in all the map. In all the map, you can write index. You can write index or I. So the key will be, you can write at an index. See, now it will not give you the warning or error. See, it is fine now. Now, okay, I got that. But I want, when I click on this thing, any of the item, it should directly send me to that page. Okay, so it should send me to that page. So how we will do that? We'll be using the same link tag. We'll be using the link tag to link that with this page. Any question till now? Okay. Sorry guys, getting? Okay. So here, in product. So this is the product page. So go to product page, and here. What are we doing? Yeah, here. So here is the mapping. Map is working every time it is rendering each product. So here we'll be putting that, we'll put that link. So how will we doing that? We'll be linking here. See, link, link to what we want, product something. So we'll be linking products, cts products slash, we can write plus, and how will you get? Product have multiple things, right? So I want to get by id. So product dot id, and we'll be closing that link tag, and inside link tag we'll be putting that, this single product. So see, it is coming, all the things are coming in blue. You can fix that using css, we can fix that. But see, if I click on iPhone, okay, it is giving us product slash slash. Okay, so you have to write relative, you have to write relative url. So now, okay, so if you click on this iPhone, it is going to this page. Go back. If I'm clicking on this perfume, see, it is taking me and it is changing. And if you see that no page is reloading, even I'm going to any page, it is not reloading. See, it is not reloading. So by this way, you can integrate. You have made multiple pages. You have set up the routes. You have done you have linked it with routing. See, and this will be dynamic. This will be dynamic. See, I want to go slash products slash the product ID. I told you, like if you write anything, 15, then it will go to the 15 number product. So the same thing you are linking here on click by, see, I want to click this, it will automatically push that like redirected me to this URL, and I'll get this 5 from here, and I'll fetch the data of this 5. Okay, so every time if you see, every time API will be called, API will be called, see, in this page all product API will be called, all product, so it will give you all the, from here you can see, from the network tab you can see how many API is being called. Now if you are going to this page, see, this API is being called, what is the URL, this is the URL, this is the endpoint of the API. So when you will be working with the backend team, they will give you this URL. They will give you this HTTP method. They will give you the what are the payload you need to send. They will give what are the things you need to send as a query. So this is a query. Okay. So the backend team will give you all the things. You just have to use that and integrate into the front end. Everyone got that? Any question? Okay. So we have this is a simple application we have made. We have used API. We have let's take here in every website you will see, if you click on logo it will go to redirect to the main page. So the same way, where is it is in the header. So this is the URL, right? So you want to link it with that. Okay, so you will be using again link link to where, to slash only, to slash only, and what will be, it will be close this, and inside that will be the image. So see, if you do, if you go click on this, so you'll go to main website, main page. So where is the main page, where is the main page? I haven't defined the main page. So let's take, I am making one more file, homepage.tsx. So homepage, okay, I am putting it to h1. So homepage, now I have to define it here, I have to define it here. See, route exact path, what will be the path will be only slash, and element will be home page. See, now if we click uh, fine. Okay, sorry. Hmm. Okay, so it is working. So if I go to this page again, if I click on logo, it will go to home page, and it is not reloading even a little. See, any page I am going, it is not reloading, and whatever you want to do. So these are the pages, and these are the components. Like you can make multiple component, and you will be using. In normal HTML, what you have to do for each page, if you want this header, so you have to copy this code for the header and put in inside every pages. But here you don't have to do, this will be fixed, and inside these routes whatever there is, this thing only be changing. Now I also want footer, right? I also want footer, so I'll make one footer.jsx, and let's take, I want this footer. So if I put it after routes, footer, so now see, after each page there will be footer. See, it is coming here. Any page I will go, about us, see, footer is coming. Now you have to apply the style and put the content. So anyway, this contactor space there is footer. So only between these things will change. This thing will not change. This thing will not change. Only the things that are inside routes are changing. And according to that route, this is the path. You are defining the path. Let's take if anyone write ABC. I don't want that ABC is not available. ABC is not available in my application. So I want to show not found. Like you have seen in multiple website, if you want to go to any website, then it will show not found if that the URL is wrong. So how will we doing that? How will we doing that? We'll be doing like here we have to define one more route. Route exact path that will be a star. Okay, a star. And we have to make one more page not found dot JSX. So see H1 I'm writing H1 and instead of here uh, not found. Okay, so now if I will go to any page ABC, it will show you as not found. If we go to slash products, then it will show. If we go to slash slash um cart, it is saying not found because we haven't defined. If we'll define and always put this star at the last, because if you put at the beginning whatever you will give, it will say as a not found. Got that? Any question till now? Okay, so now we'll be stopping our session here. Like there are multiple things, and if you do practice, then you'll get to know much more better. So just keep practicing, and if you got any problem, then please let me know. In what you can message me in WhatsApp. I'll be there for to help you. If you got any problem, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. I am of your age only, so don't hesitate. Just ask. So you have to explore these things more. Okay, yes, Vishal.